Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this session, we are going to discuss concept related to Chapter 7, that is counting squares. You must study the concept part very critically and thoroughly. This will make your learning faster. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement. Problem number 1. Count the number of squares contained by the given figure. First, we will discuss the logical approach. To solve such problems, it is always advisable to use some basic dimensions. In this case, you may take the dimension of the smallest square as m into m. Now, if you see the figure, you will find that we have the squares of the following sizes: m into m, 2m into 2m, 3m into 3m, and 4m into 4m. Study the brackets horizontal as well as vertical very carefully. This will help both in locating and counting squares of various sizes. Having done this part, let's go to counting the squares of each size. Now let us see the solution in detail. Let us understand the sizes of brackets representing the sides of the squares and number of brackets representing number of squares of a particular size. Let's start with the size m into m, that is the smallest square. There are 4 squares on vertical side. Similarly, there are 4 squares on horizontal side. Hence, the m into m squares will be equal to 4 into 4, that is 16. Let us follow the same process for the size 2m into 2m. There are 3 squares on vertical side, and similarly there are 3 squares on horizontal side. Hence, the 2m into 2m squares will be equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. We can follow the same process for the size 3m into 3m. There are 2 squares each on vertical and horizontal sides. Hence, the 3m into 3m squares will be equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. Similarly, the 4m into 4m squares will be equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. Hence, the total number of squares are m into m equals to 16, 2m into 2m equals to 9, 3m into 3m equals to 4, and 4m into 4m equals to 1, giving us a total of 30. You must study and understand conceptual part thoroughly. This part will help you in solving problems of problem part efficiently. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos.